Gold hidden in the earth. Waiting for the potato crop is every farmer's dream.
Gold hidden in the earth. Waiting for the potato crop is every farmer's dream.
But the foundation of this dream is built on solid ground. The first stage of the crop, deep preparation of the land.
Potatoes need soft and fertile soil. Better drainage, correct structure. This is the first secret to the crop.
The seed is the future. Use only healthy, disease-free, and approved seeds.
The correct method of cutting, a way to prevent damage and achieve better growth. Don't forget to dry the wounds.
Protection from diseases. Treatment is essential to protect the seed from fungal attacks.
अब बीज को घर मिल गया। मुनासिब फासला रोशनी और खुराक की तकसीम के लिए अहम है।
But in the depth of the earth, a silent enemy lies in wait. Formosan termites and Agriota's wireworms. These small insects can destroy the plant even before it emerges. Seed death, farmer's loss.
Initial damage assessment is essential. Detect the presence of pests and take immediate action.
Old fields have a higher risk of termites. It is essential to destroy crop residues.
Where termites are dominant, chemical treatment becomes essential at an early stage.
Only fighting pests is not enough. Empowering the land is also necessary.
Soil pH is key to potato health. High pH increases problems like scab.
ज्यादा नाइट्रोजन की भरमार आलू को कमजोर करती है। पोटाश और फास्फोरस मजबूत जड़ों के लिए अहम हैं।
आलू को ठहरा हुआ पानी पसंद नहीं। बेहतरीन पैदावार के लिए मुनासिब निकासी को यकीनी बनाएं।
The first sign of success. When the sprouts emerge from the ground, the farmer's belief increases.
The promise of the land and the farmer has been fulfilled. But the war has just begun.
It is essential to cover the roots and potatoes. Earthing up protects the potatoes from the sun, protection from greening.
Under excellent care, the plant grows rapidly. Soon its leaves will cover the field.
With growth, the enemy above also comes, sucking pests. They drain the life out of the crop.
Weeds and herbs are also thieves. They are a haven for pests and an obstacle to food distribution. The attack has occurred. Now it is necessary to prepare for the next threat, the subject of the next episode.
Land ready, seeds safe. But the story of the potato never ends.
Successful initial steps gave the crop a strong start. Healthy leaves, strong stem.
The farmer is a protector. Even a minor disease cannot be ignored.
Another big enemy, blight. एक और बड़ा दुश्मन, झलसाव. ये हवा से फैलता है और तेजी से तबाह करता है.
Delay can be costly. The right medicine at the right time. This is the rule of war.
Protecting the top and bottom of the leaves. This is not just a spray, it's a protective shield.
A short rest is the reward for hard work. But the heart knows that the danger has not passed.
Next week, the devastating attack of sucking insects like aphids and how to save the crop from blight.
More, the method of potato cultivation and precautionary measures before harvest.
If you are a potato farmer, watch our series. Crop protection is a science.
Subscribe and be part of the farmer's war. See you soon.